talking about how to improve the accessibility of Android operating system and add new functions. So we were discussing about adding the multi-touch functions to Android operating system, and in that way we can do more, we can be more efficient to be faster, we can type faster, and we can add more braille functions to Android operating system. So we were talking about implementing to multi-touch functionality and including more fingers to interact with the system to be more efficient and to be more efficient as in the iOS system. So in that way we were talking about how to reach up to Google and how to catch their attentions. So we were talking about making a petition and reaching out to more audience, more people to have some support. And in that way we can reach to Google and we can raise our voices, and also we can raise to some other foundations, some other foundations for the blind, and some other developers of the Android operating system to have this function. And in that way they can support us. We were talking about this in the previous live casting. Maybe you were able to hear, but it was in Turkish anyway. So that was all about. And we were also talking about how to improve this, and we were talking about the benefits of including this feature. So some students or some individual users of Android were talking about why we have to have this feature and why we need it.
Yes, actually, let me add a few more things. As some of you remember that we have a program called Bilişim Rüzgarı on TeamTalk server. So we had actually invited Harry Pasanen, the programmer of the famous Braille typing program mBraille, a few weeks ago, actually before Ramadan, and many questions. Actually, he has taken many questions about typing Braille and about Braille inputs on Android. So we asked him why the Android system, why can't we type Braille efficiently on Android, and what prevents it, why it can't be done as it is done on iOS operating system. So he actually stated that there are some problems which cannot be done because of the Android Accessibility API and TalkBack codes. So the Android's Accessibility API actually does not allow the user to use the phone with multi-touch gestures. So the screen reader TalkBack does not allow this. So there's the Explore by Touch functionality, which which permits the user to explore the screen with fingers. So these functions or these features should be must be redesigned or must be rearranged in order to allow Braille typing on Android. So we have to actually talk to those Braille typing programmers such as Harry Pasanen and other developers. There are several Braille keyboard applications for Android, such as Swift Braille, Super Braille, mBraille, and we can we can demand them to support us in this problem and to solve this problem on the Android community.